In this video, we'll start out by downloading and installing Node.js and Node Package Manager, and then we're going to verify the installation of both Node and NPM. What is Node.js? Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside of a browser. It runs on various platforms, including Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and more. What is Node Package Manager? Node Package Manager is a package manager for the JavaScript programming language. It is the default package manager for the runtime environment Node.js. It has a command line interface, or a CLI, often referred to as simply NPM, and it is an online repository filled with public and some private paid packages. This entire repository of packages is referred to as the NPM registry. In addition to it being filled with packages, it also aids in package installation, version management, and dependency management. The first thing you'll need to do is go to nodejs.org. You'll see release packages based on the operating system you're using to access this website. I'm on a Windows machine. I have two options in front of me. The one referred to as current is the latest features which have not been fully tested or debugged yet. You'll want to be careful if you get that package, as it may have unfixed bugs in it. The recommended download would be the LTS version, which has shipped as stable. Download it, and once the download is complete, click on the download to start installation process. Now that Node.js has completely downloaded, we will click on this and we will begin the installation process. You can step through this wizard. It's fairly simple software setup. I'd recommend installing all of these. This installs some additional tools. This will also include Chocolatey. Chocolatey is a software management solution that you can use on Windows machines. It brings the concept of a true package management and also allows you to version things, manage dependencies, and installation order. And it creates a better inventory management as well as some other features. I don't fully understand it, so I simply move past it. And now you can begin the installation process. I already have this installed, so I'm not going to go beyond this point, but feel free to pause the video and come back once your installation is complete. Once your installation has completed, go down to the Windows search and search for CMD and hit enter. Now we're going to check for the versions of Node.js and NPM, and that's how we verify their installation. And you can simply type out node space -v, and it will return a version number, and then the same thing for NPM. And now we have the current version of NPM. So thus far, we have downloaded and installed Node.js and NPM. We verified the installation of both by providing the node version command as well as the npm version command. In the next video, we're going to be installing and configuring VS Code.